3 points. First basket of the game coming from Bohol. Albo, pass to number 67. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Nice pass underneath to Tolibas. In and out. And there's a personal foul number 4. Tolibas, that was your first personal foul. First team foul. Last shot. Rebound. Last shot ball. Score is 3-0. Alnaola. Mariano. Walang jumper. May foul doon sa gilid. Okay. Number 15, Bohol. That was your first personal foul. First team foul. 2 shots for Mariano.
Di ba alnak na yun?
Alnak na, bro. Alnak na ba?
Bang alam ko na yun.
Anak ko, hindi na mo.
First row.
Iniisip na mamaya. Pero parang inukas lang yung iniisip sa akin.
Second row. 1 out of 2 for Mariano. Here's Carmen Dosa. Pass to Bohol. So, Aidan. 14 on the shot clock. Aidan, pull-up jumper. Too strong. Rebound. Number 16. Pass to Albo. Here's come Albo. And intercept. Nice stop. Pull-up 2 points. Coming from Jackson Lago. Ball 0. Dahil it was 0-1 pala. Alnakla. Block from behind by Culiat. Rebound by number 76 to Mariano. Mariano, pull-up jumper. And additional foul, number 67. Alnakla, that was your first personal foul, second team foul.
Ask for a screen before you drive.
Aidan, okay now. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. 14 on the shot clock. Culiat to Bohol. For the trigger, too strong. Rebound. Holding pa. Rovers to Alnakla. Alnakla. Pass to Joaquin. To Mariano. Back to Alnakla. To Albo. 14 on the shot clock. And tumama yun. Okay. Foul number 01, Maya. That was your first personal foul, second team foul. 3 shots. Okay, 3 shots for Albo. First throw, short. Dalawa pa. 2 shots pa. 2 shots. Okay, isa pa. 1 out of 2 so far for Albo. Last throw. Short again. Rebound by Joaquin. But with a block from Aidan. Here's Maya from the corner. There's a rebound. Aidan. Too strong rebound from Rivas. Here's Albo. Pass to Mariano. And still by Culiat. Here's Maya for the finish. Connect for 2. Score is 7-2 by 14 by Brian. Alnakla guarded by Mendoza. Alnakla losing the ball. Ball goes to Culiat. Pass to Maya. Another finish. Second 2. Back to back for Maya. 9-2, 7-point lead by Brian. 5 minutes remaining. Joaquin, pass to Albo. Albo. Kick out pass to Al-Nakla. Wala. Rebound. Bohol. Bohol. Tumaya. Mendoza 40 on the shot clock. Mendoza, 10 seconds to shoot. Bohol. Drive. 14. 11-2. 9-point program. 4 minutes. Here's Kamayan setting the play for last shot. Pass to Al-Nakla, to Albo. Albo. Too strong, rebound. Kunyat. To Bohol. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Down. 3-4. Ganda itong defensa dito ng Brian sa ating first quarter. Leading ng 12 points. 42 with 3 minutes and 5 seconds. Al-Nakla. Tumama pa sa paa. Okay, Bohol on the rebound. It's by Maya. Tukulia. 14 on the shot clock. To Bohol. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. Alusot. Wala. Wala. Nandito ang Mariano. Mariano ay nagtababa ng bola. Atake. Tumama yung bola. Sayang. Olivas na-recover. Binigay kay Mariano. Albo. Pakambyo. One step block by Ivan. Mendoza. Nice pass to Maya. 3 seconds pa yun. Okay, sub. Yeah, sub. Under. Olivas, drive! Pinag-4 2! Ayan. Okay, warning delay the game. Albo. Warning. Maya. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to Maya. Maya, drive. Missing the ball. And the cover by Perez. Perez. And a foul was called. Number 4. Second personal foul on number 4. Substitution. Okay. Muna Mariano, napasok si Gines. Perez on the inbound. Pass to Mendoza. And 22. Okay, pa tayo. Albo. Aidan on the rebound. Okay, save ball. Maya. 10 seconds to shoot. Right. And rebound by Rivas. It's time to Rivas. Time. Wala. And defensive rebound by himself. Without pass to Albo. Albo for 3. Short. Rebound. Ball. Kick ball tayo. Kick ball. Okay, 14 seconds shot clock tayo. Albo on the inbound. Si kay Al-Nakla. 10 seconds to shoot. Same ball. 9 seconds remaining. 9 seconds on the shot clock. Five, brother, 5. Albo. And foul number that was Perez. First personal foul, 30 foul, like 2 shots for Albon. Okay, there's a rebound by Joaquin. Joaquin, still. Okay, Aidan, that was your first. First throw, malakas. Para 44 seconds remaining. Here's kang Maya. Maya, right, too strong. There's a rebound by Perez and still by Albon. Going to Al-Nakla. Al-Nakla, alone, going for 2 points. 14-7. Shot clock is off. Mendoza. Pull-up jumper. Rebound by Tolinas. After Quines. Here's kang Quines. Quines to Albon. Another block by Aidan. Sayang yun. Without timeouts, 5 seconds. Wow, that's all of first quarter. Officially scored 14-7. 7-point lead by Brian.
Last na tayo dito sa inyo. Yes, sabi na lang dito. Coach, last na tayo.
Okay, plus 2, last shot. Officially scores 9-14. 5-point lead, Brian. Okay, bola ka na, Brian. Okay, back to the ball game. White ball, Brian. Okay. Atay down. Sabay Maya. Maya! Straight to the basket. Almost for the solution. Foul number 3. That was the first personal foul. The Chica has the foul on the shot. 2 shots to be awarded for Maya. First throw, first throw. Second throw. And short. Wala pa bounds. Last shot ball.
Sabay, sir. Sapa.
Okay, Tolivas. Pinaglakas ng ball. Binigay dito by Quines. Quines. Bringing down the ball. Aston Lapez. Back to Quines. 14 on the shot clock. Quines. And intercept by Mendoza. Pass to Maya. Maya straight to the basket again. Going for 2 points. Nakakalaman na dito. Si Maya sa ating first. Bogo brother. Rivas. Fires. Wala. Rebound. Quines. Reverse. Wala. Quines again for the offensive rebound to Lapez. And 3 seconds. Mendoza. Mendoza. Pass to Maya. Maya. Sinsahin niya na foul. On jersey number 3. Latsika, that was the second team foul last shot. Here's come Aidan Amanda. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. 10 seconds to shoot. Pull up jumper. Almost a long bounce. Pull back for Aidan. He has 2 points. Score is 18-9. 9-point lead by the White Bird. Just up Kines. Pass to Lapez for 3. Wala. Passing rebound on Kines. Kines to Reyes. Nakitawa ng bola. Ito na naman Maya. Dire-diretso sa basket. Kines for 2 points. 9-20 at 11-point lead for the White. Tolivas to Latsika. Tolivas pull-up jumper. Malakas pa rin. Rebound.
Malapit at pagmalayo dito.
Okay, subject.
Malayo di masyado baba.
Okay. Aidan on the inbound. Pass to Maya. Maya bringing down the ball. Pass to the hall. Putting on the shot clock. The hall open for 3. Pass rebound by Lapez. Pass to Kines. Kines. Guarded by Maya. Kines. And in and out. Rebound by Aidan. And foul number 28 on Lapez. Bohol laying down. Laging sama sa na received by Aidan. Aidan. And Aya. Pulyan. On the baseline. There's Salisa na foul. Number 28. Foul number 28. At the second. Time of aggression by last shot. Number 28. Second personal foul. Okay, back to the ball. Okay, 2 shots. First row, wala. Kines sa laksak. Meron tayong pushing foul doon para kay number 01. Maya. Second personal foul, first team foul. 2 shots for Kines. First throw, short. Second throw. And 1 out of 2, cutting the lead down to 10. Here's Maya bringing down the ball. Pass to the left, talking on the shot clock. Back to Bohol. 10 seconds to shoot. Bohol drive. Nakalusot doon. Ang nakla. Almost a steal. Reyes. And there's a whistle foul on number 77, Aidan. Second personal foul on Aidan, second team foul. First throw, wala. Second throw for Reyes. And this rebound, there goes to Maya. Maya, go to the basket, drop pass to Perez, this is the ball. To cover, Perez. And this one is on foul again. Number 12, Reyes. Penalty, penalty. Reyes, that was your first. 2 shots for Perez. First row, great. Second row. And 2 out of 2 for Perez. 24-10. 14-14 by Ryan. Just Martinez, pass to La Chica. To Reyes, Reyes picks. And short. Volta by Perez going to Maya. The ball short. Intercept by Reyes, pass to Lapez. To Quines. Quines, drive. And again, getting a foul. Number 7, Aidan, that was your third personal foul. Okay, that was a clear foul. Okay, wala. Offensive rebound by Nakla. Connect for 2. Cutting the lead to half. 24-12. And one goes out. Timeout. Wow. Officially score 24-12. Mowen, doon kayo sa pitcher. Kaya papunta mo nga sa pitcher mo ngayon. Yung team Mowen, dyan. Punta kayo sa pitcher mo ngayon dyan. Doon kayo sa pitcher kayo lahat. Mowen, doon kayo sa pitcher.
Up there. You're way down in the middle. Side.
The whole of the inbound is received by Mendoza. The right foot. Nakla going strong to the basket and getting a foul. Jersey number 01 of Ned. That was the first personal foul. Two shots for Al Nakla. First throw, in and out.
Kaya wait lang, bilang.
Second throw, basket. Bohol. Pass to Abner. To Mendoza. Mendoza strong to the basket. Getting the 2 points. 13-26. Albo, pass to Magna. To Lopez from the corner. Short. Rebound. Pagkakaon by Mariano. By a white ball. Bahola na yung down. And
Henrik! Dito ka, hindi doon! Sa gitna!
okay.
Hoy! Nasaan mo na? Alapit sa baba!
Correctable naman na sa pinlan. Pag-usap yung ating net, correctable naman yun. Okay. Wala na right.
Big! Big!
Bahol. Okay ba? Okay, number 7. Okay. Foul on number 7, holding foul. Offensive foul. Number 7, Balcon. Penalty rep. Ay, wala. Sige, offensive. Offensive. Sige, wala tayo. Sorry. Offensive pala. Offensive. Sorry. Al-Naqla. Ha! 3 points. Ustaz Gulan, tas keras ke depan. Cara main kick foul. Kayak anak lah, sadar. Sab. Oke, benar kira yang Bopins penalty. 2 shots.
Guys! Wala! Hey! Walang switch tayo! Walang switch! Fight the screen tayo! Walang switch!
Oke, 2 shots. First throw, break. Second throw. Dua ke 2. Ini throw out them. Mariano for 3. Wala. Rebound Mendoza. Hey, naiwan yung bola. Lapez. Talakas yung tira. Rebound by Agner. Pass to Kulyan. Kulyan nagkamadali. Dire-diretso sa basket. Lumabas na yung bola. Eto ngayon, Mariano. May hawak ng bola. Binigay kay Albo. 14 on the shot clock. Albo. Kick out pass. Al-Naqla. Short. Getting his own rebound. And Al-Naqla again. Power play. Connect for 2 points. Rizkan Maya. And a foul again. Number 28. Penalty. Third personal foul on the sub. Okay, 2 shots for Maya. First throw. 50 seconds remaining.
Yan yung 7 ko.
Second throw. Ay, malakas ulit. Ay, tumama na.
Come on, Dave! Hey! Kayo maglakad!
Albo. Gathered by Mendoza. To Al-Naqla. Underneath. And Mariano. Napalakas yung pabanda. Rebound. Napit na kay Mendoza. And out of bounds. Line ball na. Thirty seconds remaining. 30. Bohola down to Maya. Fourteen shot now. 10 seconds to shoot. Mendoza. 10 seconds. Last shot. Last shot. 5 seconds. Mariano, wala. Ikabutan ni Abner. Okay, and ang second quarter, official score 18-30. 12-point lead by Grind. Okay, third quarter. Wala lang na-shot. Change court, last shot ball. Ay, nakla. Maya. Pass to Mendoza. To Aidan. Aidan picks. Turn around. Pull up jumper. Connect for 2 points. Para kay Aidan. Ay, nakla. Pass to. And Bobo pass. Sol nakla. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Oliva Sol nakla. Connect for 2 points. 20-32. Still a 12-point lead for Brian. And Maya. Pass to Perez. Perez. Foul was called number 24. Mariano. Mariano, that was the first personal foul. First team foul last shot. 2 shots for Perez. Unang tira, wala. Second throw. And 1 out of 2. 20-33. Mariano, this is a 3. 23-33. 10-point lead. Brian Mendoza. To Aidan. Open for 3. Wala. Rebound by Joaquin. Pass to Albo. Gustav Albo. Was a steal. Oliva. Al-Nakla. And foul number 19, Perez. Perez lagpas na second personal foul. First team foul. Brian. Open seconds to shoot. Oliva. At the baseline. Connect for 2. Happy to lead in CL Vision, 25-33. And ball goes out. Time out. Time out, time out. Palayo, papunta to ng dito. Pag nag-timeout dito, pagsabi. Palayo mo siya, hindi ko naiintindihan.
Ibigay nyo na, hindi nyo dapat
Coach, bakit yung ano? Ang di walang natin na nag-time out na doon. Ang walang natin na sinabi. Bakit sa dito? Kaya ako narinig masyado kaya time out. Okay, Mr. Gabogi. Alnaka! Rebound. So, ball goes to Paul Rivas. To Albo. 10 seconds on the shot clock. Albo, pull up the shot. Rebound the hold. Long pass to Evan. Easy 2 points. 25-35. Back to 10-point lead for the Grind. Here's Kalamanaga. Alnaka for 3. He's the shot. That's the rebound by Joaquin. Albo. Tatlo na yan para kay Perez. 2 shots para kay Albo. First throw, wala. Wala. Albo! Mendoza. Ay, si Camila! Blackman to Limas! Here's Mariano! Mariano! Here's Cabo Limas! Maya drive, pinatas, rebound. Mariano. Alnaka, pagbabasan. Here's Campeles. Pinag-2 points. Okay, injury tayo. Coach, hintayin lang tayo, coach. Hintayin natin dito, coach. Hintayin lang natin dito. Coach, hintayin lang natin dito. Ay, papasok. Okay, technical pa tayo dyan. Okay, sige na. Sige na. Okay. Okay, balik na tayo. Wala tayong time out. Injury lang yun. Sige. Okay, sige. Albo, silang Zanto, ang rebound, Bohol, and ang foul, number 12, Reyes. Reyes, that was your second. Mendoza. Nakalusot! May kasama na foul. Galing kay Albo. Albo, that was your second personal foul. Okay, bonus shot para kay Charles. And malakas. Charles pa rin nakakuha. Wala. Puntak para kay Bohol. Ito, balik na naman sa 10. Palamangan ng drive. Gines. Torreyes. Malakas. Rebound Aidan. Pass to Bohol. Bohol. And intercept by Tolibas. Tolibas. Go to the basket. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza. And a foul. Number 67, Al Nakla. That was your third personal foul. Entering penalty. 2 shots for Mendoza. First throw, wala para Charles. Second throw. And short, rebound Tolibas. And naman Tolibas at Albo. 33-41. 8-point lead, go drive. Here's the ball. Guarded by Reyes to Mendoza. 14 on the shot clock. Mendoza. Nakalusot. Easy 2 points.
Dead ball.
33-43. Here's the Nakla. Gines. Correct for 2 points. 35-43. And Pauline Smith from the ground. Here's down the hole, bringing down the ball. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza to Maya. Maya, nakalusot lang by Tolibas. Same ball. Okay, substitution. Okay, babagyan muna si Ramos. Papalitan ni Sandit. Okay. On the inbound to Mendoza. Mendoza from the baseline. Reverse! Pinagpag 2 points para kay Charles. Gines. Pass to Albo. Short. Rebound by Sandrick. And meron tayo ng isa. Foul on number 12, Reyes. Penalty. Reyes na po sa third. Penalty. Okay, dumana yung ating oras. Sorry po. Yan. 1 minute 28. First throw para kay Sandrick. Good. Amaya. Panashoot sa pangalo. Okay, second throw. And ito ang tapos sa red up. Okay, 35-47. 12-point lead by Brian. 1 minute and 25 to make shot starting. Tolibas. Pass to Gines. Tolibas. Rebound by Sandrick. Pass to Maya. Maya bringing down the ball. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. 5 to shoot. Still by Tolibas. Sinabayan pa. Kuya, that was your first personal foul. Serving foul. Brian. throw, pababa, pasok. Para kay Conlitas. Second throw. Malakas, rebound. Kunyat. 40 seconds remaining. 14 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Ball out of bounds, same ball. With 13 seconds. Shot clock, 13. 13 on the shot clock, 13. Bohol on the down. Kumbaya. And Michelle on number 21. Reyes, that was your fourth personal foul warning. Apat na coach Reyes. Okay.
Coach, pabutayin pa agad dito para hindi tayo nauuli ng ano.
Okay, two shots para kay Mahaya. First throw, malakas. Second throw. And 1 out of 2. 36-48. Okay. Kines. 20 seconds remaining. Kines. Malakas na tira. Rebound Sangre. 10 seconds. Wala tayo sa labon. Nagawa ng bola. Okay, around the ball. Third quarter rather. Official score 36-48. 12-point lead by Grind. Okay, back to the ball game. White ball, white. White ball, white. White ball, white drive.
Wala naman nag-jump.
Bart, ano ginagawa mo, Pete? Lagi ka nag-aakay.
Mendoza, block. Ay, nakakaya.
Ano ba, Bart? Kinapit yung kamay.
Maya. Titira ng tres. Wala. Rebound. Mariano. Olivas. Ang ball. Rebound. Ang Bohol. Maya. Castro Mendoza. Backcourt violation. Okay, front court tayo. Front court. Okay, Mariano. Juan Nagla. Nice pass to Olivas. Mendoza. Mendoza, sasalaksak. Meron tayong foul dyan. Number 3. Okay, Lagsika, holding foul. Third personal foul, first team foul, last shot. Two shots for Mendoza. First throw, basket. 40-49.
40 lang.
40 lang po.
Galing 36 yung third quarter.
Yan na.
Dalawang shoot.
Okay. Hey! Ano ba? Okay. Lagsika, pasok po libas. Tuwag na wala.
Nag-start tayo. 38-48 eh. Nakashoot si Kel. Sino yung sumunod na yung second quarter, yung third last quarter? Shoot niya doon, hindi. Yung una, sino nakashoot? Si ano? Amir. Yung layup niya.
Ito nga po, 367.
Tama lang kasi 12 lamang kanina eh. 12 lamang. Naging 10. 12 lamang kanina.
Kasi 38-48 eh.
Hindi. 12 lamang kanina nakashoot kayo kaya naging 10.
Quarter 12 naman nila.
Kaya nakashoot kayo kaya
Back to the ball game. Okay. Biglang umiinit yung game na dito. Last shot.
Bali, dalawa na time out na lang. Isa na lang time out.
Mendoza. Maya. 10 second shot clock. Maya, nakalusap! Punang 2 points. Pamatay sulog. 46-51. Gusto ng Nakla. Ang Nakla. Warasya! Gusta Mendoza. Pull up jumper. Ika na, rebound. Mariano. Slowly bringing down the ball. Pass to Al Nakla. Al Nakla. 40 by the shot clock. And ball goes out. Sabrem sub.
Hindi ka naman kailangan dun eh! Sander! Dito ka kailangan! Dito ka!
Pass to Maya. Maya. Maya, atake na naman! Chica. Second team foul, last shot. Kumampas pa doon. Nasa area. Okay, last. Bonus shot. Right. Okay, bigay. Walang jumper. Wala. Rebound, La Chica. Tristan Albo to Mariano. Topolitas. Mariano, malakas, rebound, Aida, pass to Sandy. Mendoza, handa binababa ang bola. Pick by Aidan. Kung kaya, nabitawan yung pasa. Sayang. Ito ang nakla. Medyo hard foul. Okay. Tignan natin. Okay. I suppose online foul was more than the power part and excessive conduct. 3 minutes rest. Okay, excessive contact na yun. Okay, 2 shots sa small possession. 3 minutes, subukan mo na sa balik ka mamaya yung 2.5. Okay, 2 shots. Terlibat sa ganda. 10 seconds to shoot. Ang naola, pull-up jumper. Inanaw, ibang bang Aidan. Pass to Maya. Maya, providing a kick by Perez. Maya, what a move! Maya, meron tayong whistle. Number 3 ang tinawagan. Okay, dalawang referee. Nag-whistle dyan. Foul on La Chica. Okay, 5 fouls La Chica. Five fouls. First throw, pasok. Saan lang coach? Saan? Second row. Okay, time out. Okay, back to the ball game. fourth quarter. 40 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Toribas. Tumarayaw. Rebound. Jose Aldo. Aldo takes. And they get a foul. Number 19. Okay, Perez. Fourth personal foul on Perez. Okay, first throw. Second throw from Aldo. Okay, number 2, 50-55. Mr. Mendoza. Guarded by Toribas. 40 on the shot clock. What a move! Para naman lang nasobrang yung Tigreron. Sayang. Lusot na yun. Napitin lang. Tigreron. 40 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Aldo, 4 shot. Rebound, Perez. Aida, back to Bohol. Bohol. Setting the play. 40 on the shot clock. And offensive foul. Moving pick para kay Bohol. Moving pick. Lopez. Toribas. Mariano. Mariano. Aldo. 52-55. 3-point lead by Joy. Mendoza. And a foul on Toribas. Lagging foul. Third personal foul on Toribas. Entering penalty. Aida on the inbound. Pass to Mendoza. Mendoza setting the play. Guarded by Mariano. 14 on the shot clock. Nice pass! Basket foul! Foul on number 24. Foul talaga, sumabay. Second personal foul para kay Mariano. And a bonus free throw para dito kay Aida. 52-57, balik sa 5. And make it 6, completing the 3-point play para kay Aida. 52-58, 6-point lead. Ryan Alnacla. Pass to Lopez. To Aldo. 40 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. Toribas. Toribas. Yes, outside ka na. 2 minutes and 21 seconds remaining. Maya. 40 on the shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. And a whistle and foul. Number 28, Lopez, that was short. 4% foul, penalty, red penalty. 2 minutes and 6 seconds remaining. First throw, connect. Two out of 2 for Charles. 52-60, 8-point lead for Greg. Last 2 minutes. Nice pass. Mendoza. Okay, waiting for his teammates. 14 on the shot clock. Maya, attacking the basket. Tukulan. And connect for two. Mr. Mariano. And Aldo Martina. According to Brown, with 1 minute and 30 seconds. 14 shot clock. Charles! Wala pero may foul sa likod. Number 67 ang nakla. Fourth personal foul warning. 2 shots for Mendoza. Mahaba pa to ha. 2 shots for Charles. First throw, connect. Sure ball. Second throw. And Mintes, rebound! Ay, tagpa nakakuha, shot! Tira. Eto. Ang nakla, paso na Mariano. Malakas. Ay, pumasok yun, no? Maya, connect for two. 1 minute and 1 second remaining. Diba? Ang nakuha ni Maya sa kanyang Mendoza. Diba? Baseline buhon. 50 seconds. Fourteen shot clock. 10 seconds to shoot. And ang nakla, number 2, 59-65, 29 seconds remaining. 35 seconds.